Do you want to see it fly?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, +1, 2.
I've wanted to be an astronaut since I was 5. I still kind of do.
There's so much going on here. There's a lot of cool stuff.
Nuclear fusion.
Plasma physics.
Spacecraft dynamics.
We're sending rockets and balloons up into space.
When I saw the opportunities, it struck a chord with the girl who I wanted to be when I was a child.
I'm motivated by problems that other people haven't solved yet. I get a lot of opportunity to do that here.
Some students love how deep it can go if they're seeing the data for the first time and no one else has seen it.
This is one of the experiments no one's ever done, so it's kind of new. Anything that it comes back with is going to be gold.
It's just so much fun to be working like hands-on with something that you're going to send to space, then to actually be able to steer that rocket in flight. That's fun too.
We'd get to that goal not just by myself, but with a really enthusiastic group of students.
I've learned a ton. These projects require so much knowledge on so many different parts.
I want them to understand what it's like to build things for space, which means there's no second chance. When it goes, it's going to work or it's not going to work. So you have to prepare well. That's going to make the students better, whatever they do, whatever field they go into.